Hi, I'm Sherry with Sherry & Co. and I am sitting at our newest listing, 2037 Windermere Crossing in beautiful Windermere golf swim tennis community. We love this community and this is one of the most popular floor plans here. It's a keeping room floor plan and I'm sitting in the keeping room with a floor to ceiling stacked stone fireplace, gorgeous chandelier, and this is just a part of this breathtaking home. We're going to take you on a tour. On the main level, you've got separate dining room and formal living, or it can be a home office, and a guest suite on the main. So you have bedroom and full bath. Then you have coffered ceiling in the family room, and you're gonna enter right into that beautiful kitchen and keeping room. Okay, now we're in the beautiful kitchen with custom stained cabinets. I love the molding at the top, the little ribbon trim accents, beautiful. Great big island, new black stainless appliances. This is the newest trend. You're gonna love to cook in this kitchen. Gas cooktop, great entry as you come in from the garage. You've got mudroom, drop zone area, and laundry room, all as you enter the house. So Anissa and I are down in the basement now, and wow, is this a game zone. We've got room for all your favorite tables, and we're gonna show you the custom bar. And I'm about to knock Anissa off. Oh! We love the bar area here. This was custom built, it's gorgeous, all solid wood. We've got an ice maker, which you have to have when you're entertaining. Plenty of room for all your favorite glasses, your barware, alcohol. You're ready for a party down here. Just invite the friends now. So the basement also has a nice media room, and you can walk out the French doors and you're at your covered hot tub patio. Great backyard, plenty of room for kids, dogs, nice level space. Probably could even put a pool back there. It's a beautiful layout.